wondering where to get off to in April? You're in for a treat. We've curated a list of the absolute best destinations that will have you packing your bags faster than you can say. Adventure awaits. First up on our list is the island of Bali, an island where April brings out the perfect blend of sunshine and tranquility. With pristine beaches, lush rice terraces and a vibrant culture, this destination is sure to be unforgettable. Next, we're off to Sicily in Italy. April here is like a Mediterranean dream, with blooming landscapes, historic architecture and of course, mouth-watering Italian cuisine. Sicily is a must-visit for anyone. Now let's spice things up in Gran Canaria, part of the stunning Canary Islands. April here is all about diverse landscapes, from golden sand to lush forests. There's a lot to admire. Get ready for an adventure-filled escape. Craving a touch of old-world charm? Visit Venice, the floating city with a magical ambience. Here you can wander through narrow canals, marvel at historic architecture and savor delectable Italian cuisine. Last but certainly not least, we're getting off to the exotic wonders of Thailand. Immerse yourself in its culture, delicious street food, and breathtaking landscapes, from bustling streets to serene beaches. So, there you have it. The top destinations to visit for the ideal holiday in April. Whether you're seeking tropical bliss, Mediterranean charm, or cultural wonders, these places have got you covered. Book now with an award-winning travel company.